In a supermarket, your best map is not your phone. It's your voice. 1. Small question can save you time. Where is the milk? 2. You don't need perfect English to find food, just the right sentence. 3. Have you ever felt lost between aisles that look the same? 4. What if "excuse me" is the most useful word in the store? Welcome to the channel English Stories for Listening and Reading. I'm Anne. I'm your teacher.
Hi, Anne. I'm Tom. I'm A1.
Great, Tom. Today we are in Tokyo, in a supermarket. Our skill is asking for directions. We will speak slowly and clearly.
I am ready.
Good. First phrase, listen. Excuse me. Repeat after me.
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me.
Nice. Now Tom is at his hotel in Tokyo.
I am at the hotel.
Tom wants food. He wants fruit and milk and bread.
I want fruit. I want milk. I want bread.
The phone battery is low.
Oh no, low battery.
So Tom asks for help. Tom walks to the station. It is busy.
Many people.
Tom sees a station worker.
Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Great question. The worker points. Go straight, turn left, platform 2.
Platform 2.
Yes, repeat after me. Go straight,
Go straight,
turn left,
turn left,
platform 2.
platform 2.
Great. Tom goes to platform 2. He takes the train. 2 stops.
2 stops.
Then walk.
Then walk.
Tom walks again and he sees the supermarket. He smiles.
I see it. I feel happy.
Tom goes inside. It is bright. He sees many aisles.
Many aisles. I feel lost.
It's okay. Ask.
Excuse me, where is the fruit?
Nice. A staff member answers. Fruit is near. Go straight, turn right at the corner.
Turn right at the corner.
Good. Mini practice. Repeat after me. Where is the fruit?
Where is the fruit?
Is it near?
Is it near?
Turn right at the corner.
Turn right at the corner.
Great. Tom goes straight. He turns right at the corner. He sees fruit.
I see apples.
He puts apples in his basket. Next, Tom wants milk.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Good. The staff member says, milk is next to yogurt.
Next to yogurt.
And the staff member adds, go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yes, you are learning fast. Tom walks, he goes straight, he turns left. He sees milk next to yogurt.
Milk, next to yogurt. I see it.
Great. Now Tom wants bread.
Excuse me, how do I get to the bread?
Nice question. The staff member says, bread is near the front. Go straight again. You will see it.
You will see it.
Many practice time. Repeat after me. How do I get to the bread?
How do I get to the bread?
Go straight again.
Go straight again.
You will see it.
You will see it.
Tom goes straight again. He sees bread near the front.
I see bread.
He gets bread. Now Tom wants to pay.
Excuse me, where is the checkout?
Great. The staff member points. Checkout is next to the big sign. Go straight, turn right.
Go straight, turn right.
Tom goes to checkout. He pays.
Thank you.
The cashier smiles.
You're welcome.
Now, short review. Repeat after me slowly. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
How do I get to the bread?
How do I get to the bread?
Is it near?
Is it near?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right at the corner.
Turn right at the corner.
Next to yogurt.
Next to yogurt.
Platform 2, 2 stops, then walk.
Platform 2, 2 stops, then walk.
You will see it again.
You will see it again.
Great job today, Tom.
Thank you, Anne. I feel confident.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a happy time with the channel English Stories for listening and reading.